Okay, good afternoon, girls. How are you? How are you, grade 5? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Girls, today in our session we will continue with our revision for the final exam. Today we will solve worksheet 2. I sent it yesterday uh, to the group, and you can find all the worksheet in the revision section on the platform. In your account. So there is 2 exercises left with us yesterday in the worksheet 1. So let's find the answer for number 3 and 4, right? I'm fine, thank you, Reem. So there is 2 low, okay, a little bit low. Okay, now I will check it. Now it's good for you? Okay. So, girls, we solved number 1 and 2, right? So there is 3 and 4 left with us. Find the answer in this exercise. That's mean I have to look at the operation here between the numbers. In the first one and the second one, the operation between the numbers is minus, but between those 2 numbers the operation is plus. That's mean I have to find the sum here. So I will do it quickly. Number 3, I have to add 16.46 to 13.87 or 87. I have to find the answer. That's mean I have to find the sum between those 2 numbers. Okay. 6 plus 7. Please write with me your answers. Write with me the answers, please. So, okay, girls, please stop typing on the chat. Stop typing on the chat, please. 6 plus 7 equals 13, so I have to put 3 here and 1 above the 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 8 equals what? Equals 13. So I will put also 3 here and 1 above the 6. I will take the decimal point down and put it right here. Now 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I have to put 0 here and 1 above the tens. 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 13.33. This is the answer for number 3. Now number 4. I have to find the sum also, because the operation between the numbers is addition here. Also I have to order the numbers 12.74 and 10.40 or 54. Okay, so also I have to find the sum here between those 2 numbers. 4 plus 4 equals 8, so I will put the 8 down. 7 plus 5 equals 12. I will put 2 here and 1 above the ones. I will take the decimal point down. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3 also. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer will be 23.28. This is the answers for those 2 this is the answers for those 2 numbers. Okay, girls, please, if you can hear me clearly, type 1 in the chat. If you can hear me clearly, type 1 in the chat. just Larissa and Lama said, you can't hear me. I think you have a problem, girls. So this is the answers for those two exercises, number 3 and number 4. So if you write it, please type 1 in the chat if you finish, girls, to now to move to number or to worksheet 2. Okay, now let's move to worksheet 2. Okay, okay, this is the worksheet, the second worksheet. Now we will start with uh, this one today, and I hope that all of you printed, and I hope that all of you printed to solve with me the exercises. Let's start with the first one. The first exercise, find the unknown number for n. Okay, find the unknown number for n. So here I have to look at the expression and know the n is what here in this example. So stop typing on the chat or I will close the chat, okay? If you have any problem with the voice, please check your internet or join the session again. Yes, the worksheet I sent it on the group yesterday. I hope that all of you printed. So first thing, I will find the value of n here. N is the answer for this subtraction. For those subtraction, 5.28 minus 3.4. So I will find n here. N is the answer. That's mean the difference here. So I will find n by find the difference between those two numbers. Okay, Lana, help me please to find the difference between those two numbers. Yes, 5.28 minus 3. Very good. Okay, let's find the answer. Very good. There is no number after 8. What I have to put here? Very good. Now 8 minus 0. Very good. 8. 2 minus 4. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. 12 minus 4. Very good. Equals 8. Now, yes, yes. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the answer will be, or n here equals what? Very good, Lana. Thank you so much. So n here is the answer for this subtraction. That means n is a difference here. Okay. Now I want to find n in the second exercise. Also, n minus 6.47 equals 4.32. N is the number that I will subtract from this number 6.47. The difference will be, or the answer will be 4.38. So, girls, how I will find n here? Could you please tell me how I will find it? What I have to do here to find n? Please type on the chat. Okay, Sheikha, I think your answer is correct. No, there is no division here. No, there is no division. What I have to do, look, what I have to do, okay, what I have to do here, add them. Very good, girls. Very good, excellent. So I have to add the numbers. I have to add the numbers to find the answer. Very good. So let's add the numbers here to find n. First thing, I will put 6.47 and add 4.32. Very good. Who will help me now? Let's ask Sheikha. Yes, Sheikha, open the mic. 7 plus 2. Yes, 7 plus 2. Very good. 4 plus 3. Very good. I will take the decimal point now down. 6 plus 4. Very good. Very good, Sheikha. Thank you so much. So n equals 10.79. This is how I will find n, because I will take from this number 6.47, so the answer will be 4.32. Now let's see the last one. 11.757 minus n equals 7.51. Okay, just don't type on the chat, please. Don't type on the chat. Now, only the answers. 11.57 minus n equals 7.51. How I will find n? Okay. How I will find n? What I have to do, I will take this number, this unknown number, from 11.75 or 57. The answer will be 7.51. So what I have to do, I have to subtract here, because I will take this answer or this number from the whole number to find this one. So here, to find m, I have to subtract the answer from the whole number to find m. Very good, Lana. So m here, to find it, I have to subtract the whole number, or I have to subtract the answer from the whole number. So 11.57 minus 7.51. Okay. Now I will choose a girl to help me. Asrim, open the mic. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. 6. 5 minus 5. Very good. I will take the decimal point down. Now 1 minus 7 equals what? No, I have to borrow from that. Yes. Yes. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Very good, Reem. Thank you so much. So 11, sorry, n here is the unknown number equals what? Equals 4.6 hundredths. So if I subtract this number from 11.57, the answer will be 7.51. And as I said before, if you are here solving an exercise or a question about unknown number, after finding n, you can replace n and see if your answer is correct or not. That's mean right here in number 3. Replace 4.06 hundredths and find the subtraction. If you have the same answer here, that's mean your answer is correct. Did you write the answers, girls? Please type 1 if you write the answers. Okay, thank you. You have to be quickly with me, please. If you have a question, Basma, type it in the chat, please. Okay, write your questions in the chat. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. If you have any question, type it in the chat, please. Okay, long question. Lana, open the mic and ask me, please. Lana? Lana? Yes. This is not long question. Okay, you can type it on the chat. Okay, dear? So please. Okay, I will answer you. Why we subtract? Because I want to take from the 11.57 a number to find 7.51. That's mean I will subtract this unknown number from the whole number. Okay, and I told you in this lesson, when the unknown number is the number that you want to subtract it from the whole number, that's mean to find the unknown number, you have to subtract the answer from the whole number. You have to subtract the answer from the whole number to find the unknown number. Okay? That's why here we subtract 11 or 7.51 from 11.57. Okay, because I told you that in the lesson, when we want to find the number that we want to subtract it from the whole number, you have to subtract the difference from the whole number. Okay, so let's move now to the multiplication between the two numbers. Okay, how I will find the product? You remember I told you, when I want to find the product between the decimal number and a whole number, I have to multiply like there is no decimal point, and then I will locate the decimal point after finding the product. So first thing, I will find the product for the first one. 4 multiply 3 equals what? Equals 12. So I will put 2 here and 1 above the 9. 4 multiply 9 equals what? Girls, where are you on the chat? Where are you, girls? 4 multiply 9, very good, Wajd, equals 36, plus 1 equals, very good, Basma, very good, Wajd, equals 37. So I will put the 37 right here as I multiply a 2-digit number with 1-digit number, like there is no decimal point. Now after that, if I want to put the decimal point, I have to count the number of digits after the decimal point. So here I have only 1 digit after the decimal point. That means I will move the decimal point only 1 digit. So I will move it from here. It always will be here on the beside the first digit, and move it only 1 digit. So it will be between 7 and 2. Okay? So the number becomes what? 37.2. Okay? Now, if I want to find the answer for the next one, 2.18 multiply 7. Who will help me here to find the answer? 2.18 multiply 7. Now, let's start. Okay, can you please help me on the chat, girls? Let's start. Who will give me the answer? Okay, write your question, Larissa. 7 multiply 8 equals what? 7 multiply 8. Very good. Equals 56. So I will put the 6 here and 5 above the 1. Now 7 multiply 1 equals 7. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. Okay, Larissa asked me 9 multiply 3. Yes, but we have 1 above the 9. You forget it. 4 multiply 4 multiply 9 equals 36, plus 1 equals 37. 7 multiply 1 equals 7 plus 5 equals 14. 13. 7 multiply 1 equals 7 plus 5 equals 12. Very good. You are focusing. 7 multiply 2 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. Okay, this is the answer. What about the decimal point? I have here 2 digits after the decimal point. That means I have to move the decimal point only 2 digits. So the decimal point always will be here. 1, 2. So I will move it 2 digits only. So it will be between 5 and 2. So the answer will be what? 15.26. This is the answer. I hope that all of you writing the answers with me. Write the answers in the worksheet, please. 19.54 multiply 3. Also, if I want to multiply here, I have to multiply like there is no decimal point. Then I will locate the decimal point after finding the product. Let's start with me. On the chat, please. 3 multiply 4 equals 12. Very good, Wajd. I will put the 2 here and 1 above the 5. 3 multiply 5 equals 15 plus 1 equals 16. Very good, Sheikha also. So I will put 6 here and 1 above the 9. 3 multiply 9 equals 27. Very good. Plus 1 equals 28. So I will put the 8 here and 2 above the 1. 3 multiply 1 equals 3. Plus 2 equals 5. Now I have here 2 digits after the decimal point. So that means I will move the decimal point only 2 digits. Always the decimal point in the product will be right here. So I will move it 2 digits. So it will be between 8 and 6. So the number will be 50. 8.62. This is how I will find the product here. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Just one time, Sheikha. Okay, now let's move to exercise, the next exercise. Okay, now I want to multiply another number. Okay, I will leave number 2 and 3 for you, the last one, and I will multiply number 1. Yes, Ragat, this is a worksheet. 1.4 hundredths. I want to multiply it by 9. How I will find the answer? Also, like there is no here decimal point. Let's multiply 9 by 4. 9 multiply 4 equals what? Very good, Sheikha. 9 multiply 4 equals, girls, where are you? 9 multiply 4 equals 36. So I will put 6 here and 3 above the 0. 9 multiply 0 equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. Now 9 multiply 1 equals 9. What about the decimal point? Also, I have here 2 digits after the decimal point. That means I will move the decimal point only 2 digits and put it here. So it will be between 9 and 3. So the answer will be 9.36. Now let's find number 2. Number 2 is 13.02 or 2 hundredths multiplied by 5. Okay? Now let's start. Very good, Wajd. 5 multiply 2 equals what? Equals 10. I will put 0 here and 1 above the 0. 5 multiply 0 equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. Now 5 multiply 3 equals 15. So I will put the 5 here and 1 above the 1. 5 multiply 1 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now I will locate the decimal point. I have 2 digits here after the decimal point. So I will move it 2 digits, so it will be between 5 and 1, and the number will be 65.10 or 0.1. It's the same. Okay, 23.82 multiplied by 5. Let's find the answer here. Now 5 multiplied 2 equals what? Equals 10. Also I will put the 0 here and 1 above the 8. 5 multiply 8 equals 40 plus 1 equals 41. I will put the 1 here and 4 above the 3. 5 multiply 3 equals 15. 15 plus 4 equals what? 15 plus 4 equals 19. Very good. So I will put 9 here and 1 above the 2. 5 plus 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now what about the decimal point? I have to move the decimal point here. How many digits? 2 digits. Very good. So I will move it 2 digits. It's right here. I will move it. So it will be between 9 and 1. So the product will be 119.10 or 0.1. It's the same. Okay. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Just one time, please. One time. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Just one time. Quickly, please. Okay. Now let's move to to the next slide. Also here I want to find the product between those two numbers. Okay. So girls, I will do exercise number 4 now. Here I want to find the product between two decimal numbers. The same strategy I told you when I want to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. But here I have to count the number of digits after the decimal point. Don't talk to your friend and stop typing anything on the chat. Only if you want to answer. Okay, or I will close the chat today. I think you can hear this. Now, I will multiply here the decimal number like there is no decimal point. Then I will count the number of digits after the decimal point and locate the decimal point. Now, the first number 18.74, I will multiply it by 7.5. How I will find the answer? Let's see. With yes, Rinad, open the mic and help me. First thing, I will multiply the numbers like there is no decimal point. 5 multiply 4. 20. Very good. Very good. Very good. 35. Just 1 minute. 35 plus 2 equals 37, not 39. So I put 7 here and 3 above the 8. Yes. 5 multiply 8 plus 3. Very good. 5 multiply 1 plus 4. Very good. Now I will put 0 here and continue the multiplication. 7 multiply 4. Okay, thank you, Rina. Okay, thank you, dear. Now let's continue with Riyaf. Open the mic, dear. 7 multiply 4. Ariyaf, open the mic. Can you hear me? Ariyaf? Yes, I can hear you. Now, 7 multiply 4. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, yes, yes. 7 multiply 4. Yes, I will put 8 here and 2 above the 7. 7 multiply 7 plus 2 equals 51. 51. I put 1 here and 5. 5 above the 8. 7 multiply 8. 64. 7 multiply 8 again. 56. 7 multiply 8, 56. Plus 5 equals 61. So I'll put the 1 here and 6 above the 1. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. Yes, quickly. Plus 6 equals. Very good. Now I will add, thank you, Arya. Now I will add the numbers as I said. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So I'll put the 5 here and 1 above the 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I'll put 5 here. 9 plus 1 equals 10. I'll put 0 here and 1 above the 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And here I have 1. What about the decimal point, girls? What about the decimal point? I have to put the decimal point here. I have to count first the number of digits after the decimal point. I have 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. So I will move it 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So it will be between 0 and 5. Very good, girls. It will be 140.55 or 550. Okay, this is the answer for the first one. Now let's do the next one, the next multiplication here. Okay, now I want to multiply 0.9 by 53.8. Also, I will order the numbers like this, 0.53.8 and 0.9. I will multiply the numbers like there is no decimal point. 9 plus 8 equals what on the chat? 9 plus 8 equals what? Let's choose a girl. Yes. Raise your hands. Very good, Emma. 9 plus 8. Where is your name, Emma? I can't find it. Okay. Yes. Yes, Emma. Open the mic. Yes. 9 plus 8. Yes, yes. 9 plus 8. Very good. Equals 72. So I will put the 2 here and 7 above the 3. 9 plus 3. Multiply 3, sorry. 9 multiply 3 equals 20. Very good. Plus 7. 34. Very good. I will put the 4 here and 3 above the 5. 9 plus 5. 9 multiply 5. Okay, just 1 minute. 9 multiply 5 equals 45 plus 3. 48. Very good. 48. Now I will put the 0 here. No, there is no 0 because there is no number. What about the decimal point now? Emma, I have 1 digit here and 1 digit here. So how many digits? I have 2 digits after the point. So very good. Between 8 and 4. So it will be 48.42. This is the answer. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, dear. Now I will do the last one, girls, which is 0.42 75.3 multiplied by 0.42. How I will multiply those two numbers? Now, first thing, 2 multiply 3. I will do it, girls, quickly. 2 multiply 3 equals 6. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. This is 6 equals 10. I will put 0 here and 1 above the 7. 2 multiply 7 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. So I will put the 15. Now I will multiply the 4. I will put the 0 here. 4 multiply 3 equals 12. So I will put 2 here and 1 above the 5. 4 multiply 5 equals 20 plus 1 equals 21. I will put 1 here and 2 above the 7. 4 multiply 7 equals 20. 8 plus 2 equals 30. So I'll put the 30. Now I will add the numbers. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And this is 3. What about the decimal point? I will count the number of digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 digits after the decimal point. That's mean I will move it 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. It will be here between 6 and 1. So the number will be 31.626,000. Okay, about the next slide, it will be a homework for you. Please do it and send it for me on the WhatsApp, okay? It will be, this exercises will be a homework for you, okay? Those exercises will be a homework. Okay, now the period is finished, girls. Thank you for attending today. Have a nice day and see you inshallah tomorrow.